Hello guys, what is going on? Welcome to Country Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this wireless microphone. So this microphone is found on websites like AliExpress. So as you can see, I've got the 122, so it comes with two microphones. I've got the one for iPhone, so it can go to Lightning, but you can get one for USB-C as well. But since I have an iPhone, I'm going to use that for Lightning. You can also get the Type-C one if you've got an iPhone 15 or above. I'm going to unbox this now. I've already unboxed this previously. I've actually tested it before, but for this video, I'm going to do a re-unboxing. I'll put everything back as if I was unboxing it. So as you can see, this is what it looks like inside. It's got an instruction manual, as you can see. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to review this. All right, so here's the instructions. As you can see, it shows you all the information. There's no battery in the receiver. You don't need to recharge it during live. And it also shows you all the information here. So it shows you how to start it up. It shows you all the power indicators. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you what's inside. So this is the charging cable, USB Type-C. So it's got USB Type-C at the bottom here. And we have also got the microphones. So these are one of the two microphones. This is the other microphone, and this is the receiver. And this receiver does not have any battery inside. It's powered directly off your phone. But over here, it's got a lightning port, so you could charge your phone via the receiver. So yeah, I'm going to show you the two microphones. As you can see, it's got Type-C on this as well. So if you want to charge it without the case, you can do so. But this is the contact to charge it while it's in the case. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. So these are the two microphones, and that's what they look like. So yeah, without further ado, what we're going to do, we're going to test the microphone quality. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to plug this into this device which I'm recording, and I'm going to turn one of these microphones on, and you should be able to hear me through one of these microphones. So I'm going to turn it on now. As you can see the indicator. So as you can see, it's flashing right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it into this phone right now, and you should be able to hear me through this. Alright, so as you can see, we are connected to this microphone. As you can see, hello. So yeah, I'm currently connected. You're currently hearing me through the lav microphone of one of these microphones. So yeah, this is what the sound quality sounds like. I've tested this before, and to be honest, it has built-in noise reduction, but the quality doesn't really sound the best. It's not like one of these high-end microphones like the DJI mic, but if you want high quality video production, then yeah, you should really go for the high quality mics. You can use two of these microphones at the exact same time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this microphone on, and as you can see, that's lit up green. So you should be now hearing me through this microphone. I'm going to get the other microphone. Yep, and both microphones are working. So if you want to give this to someone else and you want someone else to talk in the video, you can have two microphones. Because it's really windy outside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go outside and do a test to see how it performs in the wind. But I don't really need two microphones on, so I'm going to turn this one off right now. So I turned one off right now, as you can see. Alright, so I'm currently outside right now, and as you can see, it's really windy. I'm going to wait for a strong gust to come, and I'm going to test it. You probably hear that loud noise as well of a motorbike. Alright, so what I'm doing now, I'm using my iPhone 7 to record with this microphone. So I'm wearing the microphone right now, and I put the receiver in the iPhone 7, and as you can see, we're recording. I'm going to overlay it into this video from this iPhone. So this is a test to see how voice memo sounds like. And what we're going to do, we're going to test to see if I can charge at the same time as well as recording. So I've got the charging cable over here. I'm going to plug it in, and as you can see, we are charging. We've got the charging. Pretty much done all the tests in here. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go outside and do a range test to see how far I can walk away from the receiver to see when it cuts off. Alright, so as you can see, I've got my microphone over here, and as you can see, got the receiver. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to walk down there. I'm going to see what range it cuts off. Turn the microphone on. As you can see, it's now turned on. Plug it in the device. Alright, so now you can hear me through the microphone. I'm now going to walk down here. So I'm walking down, and I'm going to see what point it cuts off. So I'm going to keep walking. So I'm going to keep walking down. I'm going to see what point it cuts off. I don't know how far it is in meters, but I'll try and calculate that after. I'm going to keep walking down. Keep going down. Right, keep walking. Keep walking down. Alright, now walking back. Now I'm gonna see what point it cuts off. So I'm gonna review this footage to see how far this microphone can go. Right, so as you can see, I've opened the Blackmagic Cam app, and as you can see on the bottom right, only one of the two bars are being used. So this is a mono microphone. So I've got one mic here, as you can see, and I've got the other mic over here. And the wind is picked up right now, so this is a good wind test. So right now I'm talking while it's windy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the microphone close to this, and I'm gonna break some twigs and see how it picks up that sound. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a USB-C charging test. So I've got a USB-C tester over here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in to this. And what I've got over here, I've got a power bank, and I'm going to plug that into the power bank, and that should power on this USB tester. As you can see here, I'm going to plug this in one of these microphones, the one I'm not using. I'm going to see how it charges. So as you can see, we're getting about 0.2 watts. It's got low milliamp power because of how small this device is anyway. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch to the other mic. Alright, so the one I was charging, I'm using that as the mic now, and I'm going to plug this in. We're getting about the same watts. And also when I unplug it, it immediately turns on and tries to look for the mic, which it does successfully, but I'm going to turn it off now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to charge the case. I'm going to plug this in. As you can see, I haven't charged this case in a long time, but as you can see, we're getting 0.50 watts. Put a mic in here to see if that changes the power intake. It doesn't really change the power intake that much, but we're still getting 0 watts. We're still at 0% right now. I haven't charged in a long time. Alright, so as you can see here, I left it charging for a little bit, and as you can see, we're now getting about 1 watt in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how quick it can be to actually start using this. So right now, I've left it for a while. I haven't turned it on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how quick it is to start recording. So everything's in the case right now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. As you can see, it shows how much battery we've got in it, 54%. I'm going to plug in the receiver. Then I'm going to get the transceiver, start recording here. One of the receivers are out. And as you can see, you can hear me through the microphone, which is insane. So it's really quick to just get up and going, then simply just put it back. You don't even have to turn it on. You just take it out of the case and it just starts working. It's plug and play. Actually insane. And if you want to stop using it, just put it back in the case. And it turns off literally at 50% right now, 49. I don't know why it's draining quite fast. I didn't charge it that much. I only charged it to like 50%. See, look how quick it's draining. I don't know why. But see, as you can see, there's no activity there. All I've got to do is unplug this, put it back in there, and we're done using it. You don't even have to turn off the device. Just leave it like that, and it should automatically turn off. I don't know why it's draining really fast. It might just be calibrating. It's just like AirPods. Put it away. You can take it out, start using it. It's the AirPods of microphone, but it's a lot cheaper. Probably something like a DJI mic is much better. Those are the AirPods of microphone. But these do function just like AirPods. Alright, so that wraps up my unboxing and review of this cheap wireless microphone that you can find on AliExpress. If you're a beginner content creator, then this microphone's for you. But if you want more higher quality videos for your content, you should definitely get the more higher end wireless lavalier microphones like the DJI mic or the newer mic, which I'll make a separate video on my channel. The microphone's also very convenient to like take out and just put it in a case, remove it, put the receiver in your phone, plug it in, and pretty much plug and play. So yeah, obviously I'm currently using one of the mics for this outro right now. So I hope you found this video useful, and I'll speak to you in the next one.